These air fryer teriyaki meatballs are your new best mates. With 31 grams of protein per serving, they are ready in 30 minutes from start to finish. This is how you make them. With this recipe, you can use any kind of mince. I'm using 5% turkey mince, but you can use beef, pork, chicken, whatever. And then just add in your grated carrot, your breadcrumbs to help retain moisture, some chopped up spring onion, a good pinch of salt, and plenty of black pepper. And then to that, we're just going to add an egg to help keep everything together. Then you want to add in your equal measures of garlic and ginger, and then get your hands stuck in and mix all of that through, and then form into about 16 meatballs. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favor to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. While you've got those meatballs in the air fryer, we're going to make the teriyaki sauce. It's really easy to do. All you're going to do is just get a frying pan and add in some pineapple juice, soy sauce, sesame oil, along with some brown sugar or a little bit of honey, and then 20 grams of corn flour that you've mixed in a little bit of water first. So that'll help thicken things, along with equal measures again of garlic and ginger. Pop the heat on fairly high and mix that and keep stirring it so that everything dissolves and it gets really thick. Add the cooked meatballs into it, mix all them through so they're nicely coated, and then plate it up and serve with whatever you like. I'm going with some rice, and I'm going to garnish with more spring onion and sesame seeds. And then the last thing you need to do is just get stuck in and enjoy. So there we have it, air fryer teriyaki meatballs. Super easy to make. I mean, look at that thick glaze. It looks absolutely delicious. As always, if you'd like the full recipe for this, along with about 300 other high protein recipes, just click the link below in the description and you can download my Food for Fitness recipes app and you'll get this recipe and loads more. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future high protein recipes. And that's all there is for me to say. I'm off to go and eat this, and I'll speak to you later.